Welcome back to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq. We are rounding out our coverage from the 34th Annual Futures and Options Expo in Chicago with our partners over at CME Group. We have Tim McCourt. He's the head of Equity Index and Alternative Investment Products over at the CME Group, and no better way to round out coverage announcing the renewal of our partnership. Tell us about that.
Yeah, thanks, Jill, and thanks for having me. We're very excited with the deal reached with Nasdaq to extend our partnership through 2029 for index futures on the Nasdaq 100. You know, it's been more than a two-decade partnership between CME and Nasdaq. It's been great for customers, it's been great for us, it's been great for the market, and we can't be more pleased, and our customers can't be more happy that we're able to offer this continued risk management and offer the risk management tools at CME, such as the E-mini Nasdaq 100 future.
So let's talk about the NDX. This is a way for traders to manage portfolio risk, and this is a perfect market to be having this conversation right now, whether you're going to use the NDX as a way to speculate or to hedge. Tell us more how traders are using this.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, especially the Nasdaq, it's been a very topical trade for the marketplace, not just in 2018 with some of the volatility we're seeing, but even when you look back at 2017, Nasdaq futures at CME is one of the few index properties that was up year over year in volume versus 2016. So even in a little bit of period of low volatility that we saw last year, and even more so with the heightened volatility that we're seeing even last week, you know, Nasdaq continues to be an important risk management tool as a global leading equity index benchmark for the marketplace and for customers. You know, we're even last week on October 11th, we saw a record in Nasdaq 100 futures at CME, just a little bit under 1.2 million contracts traded. And to put that in perspective, that broke a record that was more than 10 years standing from September of 2008.
I think it's really encouraging to hear the stats that you mentioned from 2017, because that year was an anomaly in the markets where you go from the bottom left of the chart to the top right in terms of equity movement, and to see that volume records were broken, I think is incredibly encouraging. And I also think it's encouraging that you're starting to see traders and investors adopt more of that kind of trading in their portfolios.
That's correct. You know, where the Nasdaq 100 future continues to be a trading tool for the marketplace, where that trend of volume growth and interest and expression of risk of the Nasdaq 100 future has continued in 2018, with volumes this year are about 450,000 contracts a day, which is even about a 51 or 50% increase over 2017. So the Nasdaq 100 future continues to be very well traded in the marketplace and our go-to risk management tool for the market. All
right. Well, thank you very much for joining me. FI, I look forward to the next 10 years with you, and hopefully get a chance to see you in New York. And thank you for joining me throughout our 2 days of coverage from the 34th Annual FIA Expo. I'm Jill Malandrino, global